Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited for today's video. We're doing clean beauty with Victoria Beckham Beauty, a brand that I don't know gets as much love as I think that they deserve. I'm always quite happy with the finished product from them. I'm bringing you their new bronzer, one of their new bronzers, trying out their mascara, their new Kajal Liner, and 2 Lid Lustres I'm finally bringing to the channel that I've had for a moment. So if you want to see how this came together, I'm doing easy today. We're doing a more natural look today. And what this really cute thing is on my head, just keep watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate it when you do. Now let's jump in. Okay guys, as always, before we jump in, I have to talk about my Breezy Tee product of the day. I am wearing our mustard boho head wrap that I absolutely love. Plays so perfectly with my skin tone. Plus, it's one of those colors of shades of yellow that work. It's a fall yellow, but it also is a nice bit of color in the spring and summertime. So it's just an all, perfect all year round. And I love what it does to my face. I feel like it just always brightens me up and it makes me smile. So I love the shade. Long piece of stretchy fabric, fashion into any style you want. They come in lots of colors. And if you want to check them out, just visit us at breezytee.com or our Etsy shops. Links will be in the description below. And as always, if there are, everything I'm wearing on my face will always be in the description. And if there are affiliate links that are applicable, they'll be there too. So I was really excited when I saw they were coming out with bronzers. Victoria Beckham Beauty is a brand that I don't know how much love they get, but me personally, I actually really love the brand. I love that they're clean. I love that they're sustainable from the onset. Sustainable packaging was something that, shipping packaging first, because they ship in just paper boxes, and inside they use like a corn protection that is dissolvable, so you can just run it under water and it disappears. So I always appreciated the effort from the launch, from a big name, to come out with sustainable packaging. The packaging for the individual products, if you're not familiar with the brand, they are paper, very luxe, like an ivory color, natural paper with some specks in there that I love and we use for our business too. I don't know, it gives when you're doing paper, those specks, I like the natural specks. I just like that a lot. So let me just say, I'm praying to the skin gods that my skin looks okay on camera, because it is Sunday. I have to work today. I'm not going anywhere today. It's an easy day and I did not feel like putting on foundation and all of that. So I'm actually wearing my Victoria Beckham Augustinus Butter golden cell rejuvenating primer, the golden, so it gives the skin a nice sheen, and some I do have on some concealer, but that's it. So fingers crossed on camera, the skin is looking presentable, because I just don't know. So here's the packaging, fantastic, beautiful, that tortoiseshell glass case. This is weighted, this is heavy, it does have a magnet in it. If I did not mention it, this is their first refillable product, which I'm super excited about. They launched with the bronzers being refillable. And just to give you a size comparison, this is the eyeshadow size, and then this is the bronzer. Okay, now I chose number 3 because the model that was wearing it looked like my complexion and it looked good on her, and so I said I'm gonna go with 3. I was going to get 4, but the refillables aren't out yet, so when the refillables come out, I'll pick up number 4 too for that deeper bronze. I expect 3 to give me a natural bronzing situation. I say it all the time. I actually prefer a more natural color, but I'm not gonna lie to you guys, when I saw number 3, I was a little worried. I was like, wait, hold up. This is not going to work. So I did have to swipe it across my cheeks. Full disclosure, I did have to swipe it across my cheeks when I got it, because I was like, and it does show up. So it's deceptive though. And I will try out 4 and I'll feature it in a video down the line. But here's the first bronzer from Victoria. You get 2 shades. There is a lighter shade, there is a darker shade. Okay, so it is refillable, like I said. Here's the lip. There's a little lip right here on this side. And I can't remember if it came with something to lift this up. I'm using something from another product, but I genuinely can't remember. But it's easy to pick up. Comes right out, magnetic, and then you just stick it back in here. You're gonna hear a loud click, and we're back to business, okay? It's not gonna fall out, you're good to go. I wanna see what they're saying about this bronzer, because if you're not familiar with Victoria Beckham Beauty, I should have said that. I don't know if I led with that. They are a clean beauty brand. They are a luxury brand. It's Victoria Beckham, so my expectations were really high when they launched. So this number 3 is a golden tan duo for medium skin tone. So on the back it says warm and contour. Okay, warm is sand, contour is soul. Just a couple of ingredient notes. Moringa oil, cocoa butter, soft face powder complex, okay? A blend of organic amino acid and smooth synthetic powders provide a luxuriously silk touch and soft focus, okay? I love these deceptive products, the good deceptive products, because it doesn't look like how it's going to look on the skin. I love it. So this one is the first one, and then this is the second one. The first one is the one they say to contour with, and then to bronze with, and then this is more for the contouring. I was gonna do the opposite, but I'll go with their lead. So, but I'm going to contour first, so I'm going to use the second color first, and you can see, look at the look how this is hilarious. See how it looks in here versus what you get on your hands. Clearly, this is enough color for me. So let's contour, and then we'll bronze, and then we'll talk about it. Now, I genuinely just tapped, okay? Just tapped, boop, and it came right up. Let's get it on the face. Instant natural definition. We have it here, we have it here, did a little up here, down the nose a little bit, and natural is the name of the game today. Like I said, I just have on my priming moisturizer in golden, which sort of acts like a tint, a little bit of a tint, but it really is just a moisturizer. So this is my favorite kind of thing, to just zhuzh up my face a little bit and be as natural as possible, and kind of build around the more natural base. So this is doing that for me, and I love it. And really, really warm, really, really lovely. Easy to blend out. There's like a creaminess to it, so super easy to blend out. You saw I just tapped it, and instant product on the brush. So that's exciting. And of course, with these kind of things, you can use one, you can swirl both, you can do whatever combo, whatever you want to do. I'm going to now go into what they're saying is the bronzer, the lighter one, and I'm going to just bronze around my face. Love. And for the video's sake, I broke up the two shades, but I can see in the future I would probably just blend use both together. I love it. A really nice natural warmth, the natural definition. This is it. This works beautifully with the golden priming moisturizer. Happy, happy, happy. Really happy. And they say you can put this on the eyes too if you want to carry this bronze over to your eyes and just do a really low, like a minimal look. Just put a little on your eyes and you're probably good to go. But now we're gonna do the eyes, and I'm excited about it. Thumbs way up for this product. Okay, to start off the eyes, we have their newest Lid Lustres that are not that new, like I said, but they are their latest ones. I just haven't shown it. This is the packaging, and again, that same packaging carries throughout all the products, which I completely appreciate because it's a dope, the packaging is dope. And these are the two swatches. So what I have is Tea Rose, see the pinkier one here, and then this one is Honey up here, okay? I am not typically a fan of these chunky, kind of colorful glitter things. Victoria Beckham Beauty has my favorite ones. I have another one or two, I can't remember right now, I think it's another one. And I love it. And this is how it comes in the, this is the Tea Rose one, okay? And then here is Honey. Golden tones, and it swatches like this. It swatches so beautifully. And what I found with these, why I really love it, one of the big reasons is there's not like fallout. It's so creamy. It's so creamy. We're not dealing with a lot of fallout at all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use these two things on my eyes today. I'm gonna put them on the lids and then kind of brush them up and work them out together. So we have the Honey, we have the Tea Rose. Let's see what I can get going on my eyes. Really easy. You get a bit of glitter on the eyes. Now I typically just use it as a topper on my lids, but today I was just like, again, Sunday, let's keep it easy. I don't need to do a big thing on my eyes. So just these two colors. The golden color is on the top part of the eye, and then the rose color is here on the lid. So easy. Again, I typically stay away from this type of product, but I really like it from the brand. I like how it blends out, and I like the finished look, okay? And there's not some ton of fallout, which is probably the biggest draw when you just want a little something, but you don't want to worry about, for me, there's not a lot of fallout. So next we have their new Satin Kajal Liner in Ash, okay? This is a new shade for them, newer shade for them. And I love how easily this goes on the eye. So let me line the top of my eye and the bottom of my eye, and let's see how this works. Obsessed with this eyeliner. This liner is why I will wear liner more. If you've ever seen me apply eyeliner in a video, it is never this quick. I never apply it this quickly or easily. Now there are other liners that I like. Takes a little bit more effort. Never am I able to just swatch over this. It's that smooth. It's that creamy that it just kind of it was gliding over my the top of my eye and the waterline. It just did. So, and then I forgot to mention that the other side is a smudger. I forgot it existed. So I used the brush to smudge out the top, but I did use this on the bottom to just smudge it out. This is my #1 eyeliner so far because of how easy it is for me to apply and how easily that color just comes off the pencil. It's barely touching my eye and the color is just coming off. So for someone like me who doesn't like to apply eyeliner, it's a sensitive area, it bothers me. This takes me 5 seconds for one eye, then I will wear it, and the finished look is dope. Okay, a little drama on a Sunday. So adore Victoria Beckham Beauty's Kajal liners. It is a clean pencil, also better when so close to the eye. So excited. Let's get to this mascara to finish off the eyes. And then I'm super excited to get this on. This is the Future Lash smudge-free lifting mascara from the brand, okay? This is the product that clean beauty brands always say is the hardest to get right. What they're saying, longer lifted lashes instantly, stronger lashes over time, and rinses away effortlessly with just warm water. That is my biggest deterrent to wearing mascara is taking it off. It annoys me so much. So my clean beauty mascaras tend to come off super easy. And I'm excited to see if this one does indeed wash away with just warm water. So I'm excited to get this on now and finish up these eyes. Gorgeous, gorgeous mascara. I just wanted to show you the wand really quickly. Look at this. It's a really thin wand, okay? And which means for me that it's gonna get to every single lash, and I completely appreciate that. It's beautiful, beautiful. Separated, kept everything, no clumping together, none of that. It absolutely elongated instantly. They were right about that. Just a beautiful mascara to top off this look. And you know, the cleaner the mascara, the better. And I support the more clean brands that come out with mascara. It just excites me. And I just happen to really, really love Victoria Beckham beauty products. I think that they are probably underrated as far as I'm concerned. They're clean, but to me effective, and I always get results from them. And the same is true for everything that I tried today. So look at the nice bronzy situation we pulled together. Really, really nice. The eyes are simple with the two Lid Lustres. We have that beautiful Kajal Liner and topped it off with the gorgeous mascara. So that's it for me, guys. A really easy, fun video. Excited to see where this brand continues to go. Really, really excited to see what they do next. And let me know if you got any of these products. Did you get the mascara? Are you interested in getting one of the bronzers? I'm actually sort of thinking maybe I don't need number 4. I'm actually quite happy with how 3 looks on me, but I'll see. Maybe I'll get 4 at some point, but now there's no urgency. I'm really, really enjoying both colors in the bronzing palette. So let me know, did you get this palette? Do you have any of her eyeliners? What are you thinking about the brand Victoria Beckham Beauty? Leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and also subscribe, as well as commenting. I love it when you do. I love hearing your feedback, and let me know what products you're loving. And of course, if you want to check out any of our boho head wraps, any of our t-shirt hair towel wraps, satin line beanies, satin line knit beanies, and our other hair accessories, just visit us at breezytee.com or our Etsy shop. Links will be down below. We're working on a new venture, something we've had on our mind for a while. So at some point, I'll be bringing you products from that other venture, which I'm excited about. But for now, I will catch you guys in the next video. Ciao for now. Bye.